If instead of making a copy of the variable I, you pass the address of variable I directly, this can lead to race conditions. After every call to pthread create, we have a new thread, and it is the responsibility of the main thread to also wait for all the threads to complete execution. This is achieved by calling pthread join on all the threads, and this is done inside a for loop. So our main thread is going to create 6 threads, and then it will wait for all of them one by one to complete execution. Now let's have a look at the thread function. An independent copy of this thread function will execute in all of the threads. The thread function accepts a single parameter, which is a void pointer, into this variable arg. This void pointer is cast into an integer pointer, and then finally this integer pointer is dereferenced to obtain the integer, which is copied into the local variable myNumber. And then the second variable rand_num should not be there. You can ignore it for now. And after that, essentially inside this thread function, we have a for loop which will iterate 10 times. In each iteration of this for loop, 2 integer values are displayed. The first integer value is the value that was passed to this thread function at runtime. The second integer value displayed is simply the iteration of the for loop. After iterating 10 times through this loop, this thread function will display the value of myNumber along with a by, and then it is going to finally call pthread exit, and the thread will terminate.